Hello guys, it's me KristinCena. Welcome to another Bellabox unboxing. Here is the first box of 2019, the January Bellabox, and I can't wait to find out what's in here. Obviously, I have a little idea on what's in here, but I just can't wait to show it to you guys. So let's discover what's in this box. And by the way, if you do not know, Bellabox is a subscription box. That means you can subscribe to them and you will receive 5 items in the box. It's either full size or some. There are also sample, and this is $19.95, available in Australia and New Zealand. So for this month's theme, it's Happy New Year. Like Happy New Year, Happy New Year. The first one that I'm gonna show you is the lip liner. This is the Mellow Cosmetics Gel Lip Pencil. This is in full size and retails for $16. So in my unboxing, guys, this is like, as you can see, I have lots of box there. Whenever I do subscription box unboxing, I always try my best to apply, like to show you guys what's really in it. What shade is this? Oh, this is Aria. Let's see why they call this gel lip liner. So this is now the application, guys, after it, and I can say that even though my lips is so dry, it still glided on well, and the color is actually rich. It's nice, and I love it that it's pigmented, as well as it's the color that they gave me is not too light on my lips. It's just a perfect nude for my lips. So I am happy with this item from Bellabox. So next, of course, we have here So Susan Cosmetics. I'm so excited to try this. This is Liquid Matte Long Wear Liquid Lipstick. Okay, alright, so it's claiming to be not drying on the lips. We'll see about that in a few. And sometimes in Bellabox, they do an opt-in, like, for example, lipstick, and they make you choose which color you want to receive. So I think there were 4 or 3 to choose from, and I choose this shade Pumpkin. This is nude. Okay, so I'm excited to try this one out, guys. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like a bubble gum. And it also has a doe foot applicator. Oh wow, I'm loving this scent. I underestimated this one. I didn't think it would be this pigmented, and I've applied actually really thick on my lips that it's flaking right now. But I believe if I just applied it really thinly, it would be just perfect. I love the feeling and the smell. I keep on saying that. This is very lightweight. I like it, and the color. Just look at that. So far, I love this one. This retails for $14, which is not bad. We have Black Express Charcoal Wipes. Okay, so I don't know if you have heard about this brand. They also have the nose pack, or like a peel-off mask, which is also popular. This is an Australian brand. And if you buy the 25 pack, it's $6, guys. So nowadays, it's just that charcoal is everywhere. Charcoal is used in skincare for removing dirt and such. It says in-flight approved. So it's great for travel then. Okay, that's fine. Next, we have Cancer Council Face Day Wear Moisturizer Matte. This is invisible ultra lightweight hydrating sunscreen lotion. That's nice. It really is moisturizing. Despite that it is a sunscreen, it feels like a lotion. And I don't see any white cast, like you know that when you apply sunscreen it's kind of white, it's like a tone up cream. That's good. So this one, guys, it is $15 for 75 ml, and I actually just got a sample. So next up we have Madara Natural Skincare. Oh, this is the bonus. This is Brightening AHA Peel Mask. Peeling mask gives instant radiance with a nature's super dose of active fruit acids. Okay, so AHA is actually an exfoliator that's really just good for the top layer of your skin. So I can't wait to try this one too. Interesting. But this is a sample only. Oh no. Now for the last one we have this Mark Daniels Professional. These are two sample sizes and both in 25 ml. Say goodbye to bad hair days. So I received Lush Luminous. This is a treatment mask, both in treatment mask, and both are bamboo extract. So far, that was just everything that I received from this box, guys, for January. So only two are in full size, and these cost for the total of $30, and I paid $19 for $19.95. So I kind of saved only $10 from this month's box. I saved lesser than the past boxes, but this one I'm actually happy with what I received. I also forgot to mention, guys, that it's amazing that they picked the right color for this lipstick as well. It's like almost a pair, even though there was no chance to pick a color for the lip liner. So it's a great choice. That's all that there is for January's Bellabox. I think if not for these two, I would be so disappointed with this one, because there are like 3 or 4 sample sizes only. Because you know, in some other subscription boxes it's like there's a lot of full size. I don't know, but so far that's fine. How about you? What do you think of this month's Bellabox? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this very quick video about Bellabox January. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video. See you guys. Bye.